Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Omkar Bhau. Uh, I am presenting my paper on energy efficient solar system for electric vehicle charging unit under the guidance of Dr. R.P. Patil, ma'am. I am from the Gaikwad College of Engineering, Pune. Here are the contents of the um, my paper. The abstract: the governmental organization and non-governmental organization are promoting greener solution through the use of the renewable energy sources as the world's resources are running out. The electric power must be less dependent on the fossil fuels, and the transportation must become a more electric in order to reduce the carbon emission and mitigate the climate changes. The fuels for the vehicles are the fuel for vehicle is electricity, which can be stored using the solar energy, and they are charged at the electric vehicle smart charging station, which are the promising alternative and sustainable environmental solution to the energy crisis. Uh, in the emergence of the battery electric vehicles as the future method of transportation is the one significant trend in energy consumption that is anticipated for the future smart network. Electric vehicles has become a more significant during the past few years as the result of their appeal as a respectable sustainable for the gasoline power automobiles. Every station consists of the plug that becomes attached to the vehicle, supplying it with electrical power to charge the vehicle. With the reduction in solar cost and the improvement in solar efficiency, solar power EV charging stations presented an excellent opportunity to greenify our transport nets. Here are some literature surveys. There are some papers we have referred. The paper is a solar charging station for electric vehicle. Uh, in this paper there are the author has written the charging station has integrated battery storage that allows for the off-grid operation. The DC charging uses the DC power from the photovoltaic cells. The second paper is IoT enabled smart charging station for electric vehicle. In this paper, the IoT based smart grid has been developed to monitor the status of battery in smart grid system. The IoT which is developed here use a cloud platform and Android apps for the communication purpose. The third paper is solar-based electric vehicle smart charging station. In this paper, eliminating dependence of the fossil fuels are limited resources while designing an environment-friendly, self-sustainable outdoor energy sources is the goal for the solar power charging station. And the fourth paper is design of a 50 kV the solar PV 50 kilovolt solar PV powered charging station for electric vehicles. Here is the block diagram of our project. In this, input the input is given from the solar panel. The solar panels gives the sun energy. That sun energy is convertible into the electrical energy, and that electrical energy is means the solar panel does not give the constant voltage. It is a regulated voltage. For this regulated voltage, we have deployed the regulated circuit. In this regulated circuit, we can give the fixed voltage to the battery packs. There are the lithium ion battery packs are used, and there is an inverter circuit for the converting the DC voltage into the AC voltage, and converting the 12 volt to the 230 volts. There is the ESP32 we are using for ESP32 using there are some sensors we are using for voltage detection and the temperature detection of the battery. These sensors are connected to the battery, and there is a relay. When the battery get full charges, the relay will be cut off the supply, and when the battery get discharged, the relay will be open the supply. And this all the information of the sensors we can get through Firebase to our mobile application. And here is some hardware implementation on the Protis software. In this we are using the regulator circuit and the inverter circuit. In this regulator circuit we are using the LM31 IC, and in inverter circuit we are using the CD4047 IC. There are some advantages of our project. Save the energy cost. Government incentive are provided by the government for the big solar energy. EV can be charged during the power outage, and EV park under the unit, so there is a no losses of the parking spaces. In conclusion, in this paper, The charging station is not connected to the neighborhood utilities. It is also referred as the autonomous EV charger. As a result, the solar panel array system power to the battery storage. Additionally, this battery storage system provides the entire amount of power needed by the charger. Doesn't need to be connected to the grid. This type of charging station can be set practically anywhere because the majority of them have the strong steel basis. They are also easy to install, and an on-grid solar EV charger cost less than the off-grid one because the energy generated by the solar array is stored in the grid rather than in batteries. And here are some references of the papers and the books. Thank you, ma'am. Anyone have questions?